Welcome to World Range. If you are new, subscribe for more. Today we are going to discuss about fifth topic in the Unit 2, Chapter 4. That is, what-if analysis in Calc. What-if analysis is a powerful feature in spreadsheets that helps run reverse calculations, sensitivity analysis, and scenario comparisons. Decision-making is crucial in any business or job role, and informed decisions based on data ensure better control over business outcomes. Therefore, what-if analysis is widely used by data analysts and middle to higher management professionals to make better, faster, and more accurate decisions based on data. What-if analysis can be performed by changing the values in cells to see how those changes will affect the outcome of formulas on the sheet. We learn how to do this by using multiple operations tools. But first, what is multiple operations? Multiple operations, like scenarios, multiple operations is a planning tool for what-if questions. In a spreadsheet, you input a formula to compute a result based on values stored in different cells. Then, you designate a cell range for entering fixed values, and the multiple operations command will generate the results according to the formula. Unlike scenario, multiple operations tool does not present the alternative versions in the same cells or with a drop-down list. Instead, the multiple operations tool creates a formula array, which is a separate set of cells that give all the alternative results for the formulas used. Although the tool is not listed among the functions, it is really a function that acts on other functions, allowing you to calculate different results without having to enter and run them separately. To use the multiple operations tool, you need two arrays of cells. The first array contains the original or default values and the formulas applied to them. The formulas must be in a range. The second array is the formula array. It is created by entering variables which are alternative values for one or two original values. For example, ABC. Publisher publishes a book whose selling price is rupee 100,000 cell. Manufacturing cost of each book is rupee 35, cell B2, in addition to the fixed cost of rupee 50,000 per year, cell B3. We can calculate profit made by the publisher in a year if they sell 2,500 books, and profit for different sales of quantities that are 1,500, 2,250,000, 3,000, 350,000 using multiple operations. Step 1. To calculate the profit, enter the formula as shown here in cell B5. Step 2. In column D, enter expected annual sale figure, as you can see, Step 1 and Step 2 in the image. Step 3. Select the range D2 to E6. This will select the values in column D and empty cell of column E. Step 4. Click on Data menu and select Multiple Operations option. The Multiple Operations dialog box appears on the screen. Following options are there in the Multiple Operations dialog box. Formulas field is used to enter the cell reference to the formula that is applied to the data range. Row input cell is used to enter the reference to the first cell of the range arranged in rows that is part of formula. Column input cell is used to enter the reference to the first cell of the range arranged in columns that is part of the formula. As you can see, step 3 and 4 in the following images and the multiple operations dialog box of the range arranged in columns that is part of the formula. Step 5. Click on the Formulas field of the Multiple Operations dialog box. Step 6. Select cell B5, as it contains the formula for calculation of profit. Step 7. Click on the Column Input Cell field of the Multiple Operations dialog box. Step 8. Select cell B4, as it contains the variable value in the formula. Here it is, quantity sold in a year. Step 9. Click on OK button. You can see steps 6, 7, 8, 9 on following images. The profits for the different quantities are now visible in column E. As you can see in the image, if you change the values in column D, that is, annual sales figure, then the profit in column E will be automatically updated.
Now let's do it on Calc. We need data. Let's create, in column A, 1 by selling price per book and B, 1/100, A2, manufacturing cost per book, and in B2 $35, A3 fixed cost, and in B3 $50,000, in A4 dash quantity sold in a year, and in B4 value is $2,000. A5 is profit, and B5 we input formula, as you can see, to calculate profit. Now in column D1, write annual sale figure, and E1 is profit. In column D, enter expected sales figure, as I am doing right now. Now, select column D1 to E6, go to Data menu, and select Multiple Operations option. A dialog box appears. In Formula box, select the cell B5, which has formula to calculate profit by using Shrink button. Then in column Input cell, select B4, which has annual figure, and then click OK button. Boom! You have the expected sales value and profit for following year. As you can see, if I change the value in expected sales figure, then it will automatically changes the profit value. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please comment and like this video. Subscribe for more.